Welcome back, everyone, for this small bedroom makeover renovation of a converted garage and also DIY wall decor idea in my office. Let's get right into the video. And welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited to take you inside a special renovation project I've been working on for a client. Now, she had a big vision for her garage. Originally, she was thinking just one large room with a bathroom, but when I stepped back and looked at the space and did some measuring, I realized we were working with a full 3-car garage. That gave us plenty of room to dream just a little bit bigger, so I suggested we break it up into 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a cozy little living area. And that layout has made all the difference. Today, though, we are focusing on the very start of this transformation, a small bedroom makeover that finally is ready for the decorating phase. It's been about 2.5 years in the making. Renovations took some time, especially when you want to get it just right. And now we're finally at the fun part. We're starting with a gorgeous drawer of a 3-drawer nightstand set that was sent out to me, and they fit the space just right, and I had them delivered to her home, and the homeowner graciously put them together because at the moment I couldn't. They have a warm wood top, a soft rustic finish, and a built-in electrical outlets for USB ports, which is perfect for those late night phone charges or unplugging in a little lamp. She's going for a cozy, chic farmhouse vibe because she actually lives in the country on a farm. And these nightstands bring that rustic elegance that really anchors the room. I'll drop a link down below in the description area for these nightstands. We absolutely love them. They are perfect for the space, and you can check them out if you have a desire to get these nightstands. This is just the beginning, but y'all, I can already see the vision coming in life. And this here is the overall view of the space that we will be decorating this small bedroom for the makeover, and I will be coming back and showing you the upcoming makeover in another video. But let's move on to my office. While I'm slowly still on the mend, I decided to turn my attention to the wall in my office. My maker wall is actually very much longer than it actually looks on the camera. I didn't want to just hang up another piece of framed art or a canvas art piece. I wanted something that literally said Chanel, something that reflects what I do and what I love, what I'm passionate about, which is definitely fabric. It's where I create my pillow covers for the Etsy shop, link down below in the description box. And that's when it hit me. Why not turn this wall into a mini fabric display? I kind of like a little fabric store right in my own space. You know how the girlies have a perfume wall or a shelf full of makeup or whatever it is that you know that you like to do as a hobby or whatever it is that you're passionate about. Well, myself, I'm a self-proclaimed fabric junkie. So I know it's not a cute word, but that's what I like to call it. I love it. So I figured I'd create a wall of rolled fabric, organized beautifully and inspiring, which is something that definitely feeds my creativity every time I walk into my room. And like when I go into a fabric store, I said it before, I can stay in a fabric store for hours just touching and looking at all of the different fabrics, comparing the colors, mixing and matching them. Yeah, that's just me. I pulled the fabric colors straight from the artwork in the room with the soft taupes, French blues, muted golds, champagnes, and blue grays. These are some of the calming color tones I've used throughout the house. if you've seen in previous videos. And for me, I needed that serene color palette that just gives me a peaceful atmosphere. Very elegant as well, very subdued, but yet has some color. Most of the fabric pieces still had a raw edge, so what I'm doing, I'm going to trim them with the shears, but I'm not aiming for a perfect clean look. I want it to feel very natural, like real samples, pretty much kind of in a designer studio, but they do have that jagged edge. But I just like it to still have that creative and honest, true feeling just for me, because it's my personal space. And now for the fun part, actually getting the fabric onto the rolls. I've collected so many of these rolls, the cardboard rolls that is, from past projects, the big rolls of fabric that I usually have when I'm cutting the pillow covers from the fabrics. So usually I return these rolls to the suppliers, or I toss them in the recycle bin. But today I get to recycle them for me, and that part just felt pretty good actually. They're going up as mini fabric art. I measured each one of them to a smaller width to keep it clean and to keep it very simple. And then I used hot glue to attach the fabric to the roll. Then I folded the end under and glued it down, and it gave it a very soft hang. The little folds keeps it from looking too raw, and it gives it just enough of a polished, refined look to make it feel intentional but still very relaxed, which is what I want for the space. Then to hang them, I placed a small nail in the back of each one of the rolls, and I used that to hang it on the wall. No drilling, no anchors, just quick, simple, and easy. Literally 1, 2, 3. For one of them, I even used a thumbtack to hold it up, and honestly, it's holding up just fine for now. I'll tackle it later. It's not perfect, but it's personal, it's creative, it's Chanel, and it feels just like me. And here is the final look of the wall decor that I have personalized for my space, my Fabric Junkie wall art that I am definitely loving. So as always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. This has been Chanel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for that completed bedroom makeover. I will have it titled that way, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.